we have made it clear that our freedom is not negotiable. It don't matter what they throw on us. It don't matter how hard they come on us. Biafra must be free. It's not a joke. The zoo terrorist country, they have met their match. Nakiba as well. We will never surrender our land to people that call us infidel, to people that don't like our way of life, to people that want to kill us. Not that the Nigerian terrorist state and the jihadists, not that they want to work with us or live in harmony with us. They want to kill us, not just Islamizing us, not just that they want to make us their slave. They want to wipe us out. Even our prime minister being in the so-called questioning detention where he currently is right now, he's still fighting. Our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, is still fighting. What about you and I? Biafran people, we get the message loud and clear that we must be resilient. We must stand strong, unshakable. Fellow Biafrans, for those of you that are waiting until, I have heard that a lot as well. A lot of Biafrans are saying, until our leader, our prime minister is out, then they will come and start supporting. What about in the process of waiting? And we allow these terrorists to overrun our land. We will not wait until he's out before we keep fighting. We'll be fighting every day. Look all around you. Look at what is happening in Biafra land and all over that useless country called Nigeria. Nigeria is boiling. It's boiling from the north to the south. It's not working. I believe this message from our Prime Minister will uplift you. Word of encouragement. We're supposed to be the one encouraging him, assuring him.
And as our freedom is not a none,
I tried to take it back.
Some people perceive that we said we are going to go.
So you get the message clear before we end it. We're not going to play everything here.
So we are here to deliver the message of the Prime Minister to the Biafran people. On Friday, 28th of March 2025, Honorable Imam Madubu, the CRC Advisory Chairman, and Honorable Obi Obodo, European Representative, Deputy Secretary General.
Let me start again.
Indigenous persons that they have slaughtered their babies, women, and children. That is when you see that the entire world wants to speak. We salute all Biafrans, and we must intensify our effort to see that our two leaders are released. Now, welcome to this very press briefing.
Somebody said 28th of March, not 29. What are you talking about? Wait.
Let's go to the issue of the day. As part of the mitigations to see to the release of our indomitable Prime Minister, who was detained because of speaking for the Biafran people, because of sacrificing his entire life, his pleasure, his future, his family, his career, and his businesses, to see that Biafran people are not butchered in their sleep. The Biafran Republic government in exile, the entire Biafran people stands in solidarity with him, and to see that he is released with everything we have. So in line with every mitigations done, to see that he rejoins us in no distance time,